how to count specific words in a cell in Excel. For example, you want to count specific in this word and you need to count how many times count in this word and similarly how many times excel in this word. So it is easy to count. So please watch this video till end. So we'll discuss about couple of formulas in Excel, and also at the end we'll discuss how you can identify one word from a range of cell. If you are watching the video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and let us know if you have any question or suggestion in the comment section below. So here I have this text and this is my specific word. So first of all we'll discuss about this line, then we'll discuss about the other lines. First of all, let's take the entire text and from that text let's remove specific. To do that you need to use the substitute function in Excel. If you want to learn more about the substitute formula, you can find the link in the description below. Equal to substitute, this is your text. From this text, this is your old text specific, and we will remove that old text. We'll make it blank. Copy and paste special, you can find only specific is removed and you still have the extra spaces. So now what is the next word we need? We need the specific word. Based on these three, we can identify and count. For that, we need to use len function in Excel. The len function will calculate the length of the text in Excel. For example, let's say len, open the bracket, select the text and close the bracket. Similarly for this one and this one. You can find specific is how many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here I have 11. Here I have 27. So what is the calculation I will do? I will take the total. I will deduct after reducing the specific. So I have 16. So now my specific is 8. So if I divide 16 by my 8, so I will get 2 times. So it is simple. The same formula we are going to combine here. Now I will combine all these formulas, how we calculated right side, and we will calculate here. Equal to len, open the bracket, and here calculate. Same we have calculate 27 minus. Now what we will do? We will calculate length of substitute formula. We will calculate here. The old text is specific and we want nothing. Close the bracket, again close, right? Enter. So now we have 16. Now we'll start the open bracket, end the bracket, divide by, so total divide by 8 we need to divide. So len, open the bracket, you select specific, close the bracket, enter. We got 2. Now similarly we'll calculate for others as well. So now you can see here it is calculated correctly for first 2, but these 2 are incorrect. So how we will correct this? So here you can find you have uppercase, lowercase, as well as you have some additional text. So additional text is fine, it will still catch. But in case you have uppercase and lowercase, either make the formula completely lowercase or propercase or uppercase. So it will work. For example, let's make everything as lowercase. Now here I'll make lower. Lower A3. Now here lower B3. Now again here lower B3. So I made everything lowercase. Similarly you can make it proper case or uppercase and you can do that. Now it will calculate perfectly. How to count specific words in a range of cell in Excel. For example, I have a range of cell here. Now how will calculate the Excel how many times here? 2 formulas by which you can calculate. One is count if, another is count ifs function. The count ifs function you can add multiple criterias, but count if you can add only one criteria. So it is better to use count ifs formula. Equal to count ifs. If count ifs is not available in your system, you are using the old Excel version, you can still try count if formula also. Open the bracket. So your count ifs function, first you have your criteria range. So your criteria range is here. Then what is your criteria? This is your criteria, and close the bracket. So here what will happen, it will give one time because it is case sensitive. So in this case what we can do, we can add here the star from the beginning, star from the end. So it is called wildcard. But if you have cell link, you cannot simply type star here and star here. You will get the error. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to type double quote with star, again and, again B3, again and, double quote with star, and enter. It will work perfectly fine. If you want to type Excel inside, you can do that, but again you don't have to all this. You can just type Excel here. Before star, after star, and double quote and enter. It will be the same. Please subscribe our channel to get notification for updated videos. And if you like the video, then please like and share. If you have any questions or suggestions, let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.